Hello my dear children. In this module we are going to discuss more about select commands only. This is the 13th module of SQL unit. How to give alias name for column names. It is a temporary name or a label given to a column that will appear in output. Only in output. It doesn't change the column name. For example, if column name is DEPT and you want to display as department, then we have to give column alias. The short form of column alias is AS. Look at the example. Select EMP-NO, employee name, or department DEPT. So department is the alias name, employee number is the alias name. Here, as we discussed earlier, while we are discussing the simple calculations, salary into 12 as annual income, as. Both the examples are correct. Either you can use as command or else you can leave a space without a comma. You can give column alias. How to handle null values. From the above table, we can observe that the salary of Shaban is null. That is not assigned. Now, if you want to get 0 or not assigned for salary information of Shaban, we have to use if null. That is, if it is null, it will display the text. So look at the query given. Select employee number, name, if null, salary not assigned. If salary is null, then you have to display not assigned. That is, here we are giving the instruction for the compiler. If the salary column is null, then it has to be displayed as not assigned. So look at the output we are getting. Instead of null, we are getting not assigned. But in the table, we are having only null value. So while we are displaying, we are getting not assigned only because we had given this query. If null, the column name salary, then not assigned. How to put text in a query output. SQL allows to put user-defined symbols or text with the table output, like RS with the salary or percentage symbol with commission. For example, select name department RS dot salary from employee. Here we are giving direct queries using single quotes. Select name work in department DEPT and getting salary rupees. So all this string we have to put in single quote. That is the only thing. Or else you can use like select name concat of RS salary from employee. Here RS indicates a string or a text into a query. So the output will be RS salary. I think you are all clear about select command. Thank you.